So I promised to dive into Ascot Woods complete floor plans. So which floor plan at Ascot Woods gives you the most bang for your buck? I'm Natalie Dean Vinson, your Charlotte new construction strategist. And after being able to examine all of these floor plans, walk through the models, I found 3 hidden gems that most buyers completely overlook in Ascot Woods. And today, I'm breaking down all 6 floor plans with the exact square footage, the pricing, and the secret about which ones offer the best resale value. So if you're considering Ascot Woods, this video is for you, and I would save it so you don't make any costly mistakes. Let's start with the Ashe at $380,900, 1,388 square feet of living space, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, all on one level. Here's what LGI doesn't tell you in their marketing. This plan has the highest price per square foot efficiency in the entire community at $274. Here's why this is actually brilliant. Every square foot in this model works hard. The great room is 16 by 14, which feels spacious because of the vaulted ceilings. The master bedroom, it comes in at a 12 by 14. This is so important to certain people because you want to know, how will my furniture fit into these rooms that I'm looking at online? They all have a walk-in closet. It's bigger than most builders give you in this price range. The kitchen has a central island that creates a neutral gathering space. And all 3 bedrooms have walk-in closets. What's the smart move with the Ashe? It's perfect for first-time buyers or downsizers who want new construction without a jumbo mortgage. Your monthly payment, including taxes and insurance, could run about $2,400. With today's energy efficiency standards, your utility bills will average somewhere between $120 and $140 per month all in. Next, the Cary plan, the sweet spot. Moving up to the Cary plan at $393,900 for 1,552 square feet. Still a single story. There's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths to gain 164 square feet. That's where it matters most in the living areas. The family room jumps to 17 by 15. The kitchen gets a full pantry walk-in closet. The master suite grows to 13 by 15 with a bathroom that includes dual vanities and a separate shower and tub. Here's the game changer. The covered patio, 12 by 10, essentially giving you an outdoor room. Because of the Carolina beautiful seasons, you now have outdoor living almost all year round. For just about $13,000 more than the Ashe, you get 164 more in square footage, a better kitchen layout, and a covered patio that adds serious lifestyle value. Most buyers don't calculate this. Covered patio, it adds about $8,000 in appraised value, so that really makes a difference of only about $5,000. Here's the one that is one of my favorites, the Carolina plan. The Carolina at $405,900, 1,726 square feet, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Here's why this plan is genius for the Charlotte market. The magic is in the flex room. LGI calls it a 4th bedroom. As a smart buyer, you'll use it as a home office, a playroom, or a guest room. And today's work from home world, actually having a dedicated office space, it can add $15,000 to $20,000 to your home's value. So the main level has the master suite, so you can get single level living with the bonus of upstairs space. There's so many flexible options. The kitchen features a large island with seating for 4 and opens directly to the family room and the dining area. Upstairs, you get the flex room plus 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath. The covered patio extends your entertaining space. There's an upstairs laundry room, so you're not carrying clothes up and down the stairs. Here's a tip. Here's a pro tip. If you're torn between the Carolina and the other plans that we've mentioned, consider this. It's the only plan that grows with you. Start as a 3 bedroom. The family grows in one way or another and can convert the flex space as needed. It's almost like getting 2 homes in one. The next one on the list is the Burton. This is what I call the single story luxury. $419,900, a little higher on the price point, 1,853 square feet. LGI's answer to luxury single story living. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The layout feels like a custom home. So what sets the Burton apart is the private study off the dining room. This isn't just a study nook. That can be great, but it's not just a study nook. It's a real room with a door, perfect for Zoom calls or a quiet work area. The master suite is separated from the secondary bedrooms for maximum privacy. The covered patio is oversized by 14 by 12 feet. The kitchen in this particular property is the showstopper. Massive granite island with bar seating, pantry closet, and sight lines to the family room and covered patio. For entertainers, this is absolutely one of the most perfect layouts. You can prep dinner while watching TV, keeping an eye on your kids, talking to your guests that are over as you prepare meals. The Burton, it targets empty nesters and professionals, anyone who's really looking for luxury without stairs. $226 per square foot. It's positioned perfectly between affordable and premium. Now let's talk about another showstopper, the Camden. The Camden is coming in at $434,900 for 2,000 square feet of living space. It brings in serious space because it's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2 stories. Every room is generously sized. Why do we say that? The family room is 18 by 16 feet with vaulted ceilings, making it feel massive. The kitchen island seats 6 comfortably. There's a separate dining room for formal occasions. Upstairs, all 4 bedrooms have walk-in closets, and master suite actually includes a living area. Camden works for large families, multi-generational living, or buyers who want a home office plus guest rooms. At $217 per square foot, it actually is the best value in terms of space. It's $217 per square foot. Monthly payments can average around $2,800. The Gram, the flexible giant. The Gram is the newest addition to Ascot Woods. $449,900, just over 2,200 square feet of living space. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. The real star is the flex room that can transform into whatever you need. I love a flex room. LGI designed this with both a covered front porch and a back patio, giving you about 300 square feet of outdoor living space. Again, I am biased, but Carolina blue is real. It's beautiful here all year round. So now you're extending your living space and your outdoor living space. You can enjoy almost 12 months out of the year. The flex room is separate from the bedrooms, making it perfect as a media room, home gym, or second office. The kitchen features an oversized island and opens to the family room and the flex space. Truly, this is a massive giant that really is great for entertainers and just individuals who like a big open area. For buyers who want maximum space and flexibility, the Gram delivers. It's like getting a custom home layout at a production home price. The only downside, at $203 per square foot, it's so good in value that it sells very quickly. And you might say, well, what's my action plan, Natalie? You're the strategist. How do I make it win? If you're budget conscious, the Ashe or the Cary, it can give you new construction without breaking the bank. If you need flexibility, the Carolina adapts as you change, your family structure changes. For single story luxury, the Burton, it can't be beat. If you want maximum space, the Camden and the Gram deliver. Next on the list, I'm going to reveal LGI's current incentive packages, the negotiation tactics that could save you somewhere between $10,000 and $15,000, and also show you which spec homes are available right now for quick closes. Text me floor plans and I'll send you the detailed layouts that I spoke about today, and my buyer's checklist for each one of the plans. Subscribe and like. You don't want to miss the incentive breakdown. Natalie Dean Vincent, United Real Estate, Queen City, your go-to strategist for new construction.